the images earlier.
Oh my gosh.
It is heart-stopping.
Oh, it really is.
Have you ever
scary. Oh gosh, no. No, never will. I don't like that free-falling thing.
Okay, we'll see what happens at
Upside
80
down and round, but down.
Is now looking into that whole thing, too, because apparently it does happen. It's an occurrence where a harness, something like that would happen. Okay, so we're going to, okay, so we've got something else.
Pretty close to hurricane strength, right? And also, how close are we to landfall?
We're close, you know, just within an hour or two, potentially, of landfall. Talking maybe midnight tonight for that landfall. Intensity of this storm now, maximum sustained winds, 70 miles per hour.
Jacqui Jeras is back, so they're seeing UFOs in Missouri's. Come on.
Well, you can judge for yourself. Take a look at the video. It's pretty impressive. But this is who have seen this. Nobody seems to have a good explanation for what it is. So it might be one of those mysteries that we never solve.
Maybe
but interesting
unsolved.
nonetheless.
All right. Jacqui Jeras, thanks so much.